Last time I have shown you how to let's say add another let's say repo in one repo, for instance, to make it easy. So I have this repo here, industrial anoma ano did let's say MLOps. This is the one repo, and in this repo I would like to use this repo here, anoma fusion. So now what I have done, I have, let's see, git add sub module and give the link, and this will add, let's see, our stuff to. I have also shown you this, so you can see it in this cloud here, in this. So now when I click this, it will directly move to the original, let's see, repo. So now, but when we try to build the pipeline, this won't work. So we have to add a small trick. Otherwise, the source and anomaly vision will be empty. So we need to catch, let's see, to get this repo here, submodule. And in this one here, I have added this. So what you have to do is use to add only these two lines. I mean, these few lines. So here's a check out, which is self, which is checking out the repo, this one here. I mean, this repo here. And submodules, we also need to check this. We need to use submodule as well. We have to use the credential. We don't need to use the credential because it's all both, I mean, in the same DevOps. And here we need to ensure that it fetch the depth 0. And here we add only this one here, this command. This will save our let's say life. So this git submodule update initial and recursive. And if I show you now the repo, what I mean by this. So this I have the build agent in my side. So you can see now I have the source and here the vision, Anoma vision. Without these lines, Anoma vision, this folder here will be empty. So this will be empty without these few lines here. So please keep in mind that if you have submodule, you have to add this in each pipeline. That's it for today, and thanks for watching.